In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the charging sound on your Android device. Many people find it annoying when a sound plays every time they plug in their device to charge. However, with just a few simple steps, you can easily turn off this feature and enjoy a quieter charging experience. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, tap System Sound. To turn off the charging sound on your Android device, simply toggle off the switch next to the charging option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.